Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very important for every person out there who is not able to focus on one thing. So basically, all the people who keep on hopping their task, they constantly look for something better. They keep on changing their priority. So they have this issue, and I'll start with the example. Okay, so one of my junior in my previous company, he was pretty much very enthusiastic kind of a person. When he come to office, he was very greeting kind of person. He was very warm when you were meeting him, and he was a junior, right? So he used to take my advice in terms of what should I learn for next year, when I'll switch this company, what are the technology I should know, which technology will give me the more money, and in future what is the scope of this technology, that technology, so and so, right? And many of you will hear this thing very commonly from all your juniors, your colleagues, your friends. And it's not only about the career, it's about your daily life, it's about your general life schedule. This particular problem we face in every area of life. We cannot stick to one thing and we cannot be consistent. That is a problem. Now, this particular issue cause you so much of damage. Today you decide that I will learn one skill. You go to that particular area where you are learning that skill. Couple of days, then you start feeling bored. Then you look for something better. Then when you get better, you are able to get the other thing. Now what you feel that this is not good enough for me. I need to go to something else. Person who is having this particular syndrome, that person will never be able to stick to one thing. What he will think, he's working in a company on C language, then he'll see all these hoardings and marketing on a various platform that machine learning, AI, data, so many big words they will throw, obviously to distract the people and also to get the business. But at the same time, this person will see I'm working in C is not getting me much growth. What I should do? So he'll obviously move to, let's say, data analytics. That's a great decision. And at first, you guys will also think that this is a good decision. There is nothing wrong with it. You go to a class, you join a course where you see like data analytics is there. Now, in 2025, you see like so much of this chat GPT, generative AI, so many things are coming up. Now you were preparing for only data analytics role. Now you suddenly feel, no, it's not enough for me. I should learn more. Then you get enroll in a generative AI course also, agentic AI course also. Now your focus is very much distracted. So the reason for all of this is shiny object syndrome. If you have this kind of syndrome in your mind, and we call it SOS. So if you are a person who is suffering from SOS, you will always notice couple of things in your nature, whatever I have mentioned. Now let me take you to Google. I'll not make a very long video on this because I wanted to generate this awareness which I'm noticing in some of the subscribers also, and in my friends also, my colleagues also. And sometime it was there in me itself, because even I was looking for something better in job, in life, in all the aspects. Okay, so let me Google it. Let me show it to you. So guys, I just open Google. Now I'll type shiny object, and you can see Google itself is suggesting me. Now what is this? So today's video is going to give you so many answers of your questions. So many of you would not even be aware about this. So you can see what is shiny object syndrome is a tendency to be easily distracted by new idea or opportunity. Basically it can be in any field. In your love life also you do this kind of thing, right? So you are suffered from this disorder. Similarly in your career, similarly in your life choices. If you feel today that you need to go to gym, then you go to gym, then somebody tells you that no, yoga is much better, then you move on to yoga. Somebody tells no, cycling is better, then sometime you feel I should buy a cycle. You are not stick to any single one thing. That is a reason that you are not able to achieve the perfection in that one skill. If you want to learn one thing, let's say Python itself, stick to your playlist, whatever you're following, stick to your consistency. If you decide like I'll put 30 minutes every day, put those 30 minutes for next like till maybe 2 months, 3 months, till the time you are not able to achieve a kind of competency in that particular skill. Now, if you are a patient of this syndrome, now you know it, because I am pretty sure many of you don't even know this, but you know the characteristics, you know the behavior, that I do have this kind of behavior. Today I like Python, next day I like no, Java is better, it's have much better package. Day after tomorrow I like machine learning, on the fourth day I like deep learning, neural networks, agentic AI, so and so. So the reason is because you are suffering from this. Now, just focus about it and be consistent. Focus on one thing at a time in your life, in your career, and you will be actually able to achieve so much which you are not able to do as of now. Now you know, like, you have this problem, so you will be able to handle it. That was my motivation to prepare this video for all of you, because even I got to know about this particular concept, and I wanted all my subscriber, all you learners who are watching me, who are seeing me, that they should know many of you would be suffering from this. Now it's on you how you handle this, because this is not a kind of a problem which you can cure with medicine. This is kind of a problem which you can change with some mental behavior changes within yourself. If you get committed towards yourself, take a decision wisely, make that decision accountable for you. Take some time. Maybe I would say don't take a decision in a single day, maybe take 3 days, but when you take a decision, stick to the plan. That is the problem, that many people are not sticking to the plan. That's why they are not able to do anything, and they will not be able to do anything till the time you're consistent on one thing. If you keep on hopping it, you will never be able to achieve the fruitful meaning of that particular thing. On that note, I will conclude this video. I hope this video will help you all who are suffering from SOS. On that note, I will take a leave from you. I'll meet you in the next video. All the best, everybody.